Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Azure Data Center IP range. So visit this URL. I will give link in description. Then right click on it and open in new tab. Now here just click on download. Here you can see the details for this software like version, file name, system requirements and installation instruction. So just download it, and once this complete, double click on this XML file. So this is the way guys you can download and install in your Windows 11 Microsoft Azure Data Center IP range. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.